How to change your background in Google Meet on Android. This tutorial shows you how to set a custom or blurred background during a Google Meet call. First, open Google Meet on your Android device and join or create a meeting. After that, once you are in the meeting, make sure your video feed is turned on. From there, tap on your video feed to make it larger on the screen. At this point, tap on the person icon to open the background options panel. In the next step, you will see a blur option at the top. Tap on it to blur your background instantly without using any image following this. Following this, if you want to use your own photo as a background, tap on the upload option and select any image from your gallery. Once done, if you scroll down further, you will find a 360 degrees option. This lets you move your camera around and the background will shift and change accordingly, which is a really cool effect. From here, keep scrolling and you will also find a variety of static background options to choose from. Finally, tap on any background you like and it will be applied to your video feed instantly for everyone in the meeting to see. And that's it. If this Android guide helped you change your background in Google Meet, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.